Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Tides detergent soap pods. They come in this nice plastic container that I would probably reuse for other things, storing some stuff. But I like these pods because they are not a powder or liquid, so just these small little packets here that have the detergent and everything else that they need in it, and you just pop that in the washer, so you don't really have to make any mess when you're storing it or traveling with it. It's just easy, and you just pop it into the washer and wash your clothes and it gets them nice and clean. So this product is pretty good, and I hope this review